Welcome to my humble abode, man.
We are currently in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we're going to go play mini golf at the Captain Cook's Adventure Golf. And that's a wrap. So we played the entirety of the Lost Boy course, and then when we went back for the Captain Cook's course, we just kind of walked through it and played the holes that we thought were most interesting. And I also got a bunch of cool shots that you saw in this video here. Now, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my vacation. See you in the next video.